Everyone wants to be world class, but most creators are stuck trying to be good enough. Here's the truth: being world class isn't about talent. It's about craftsmanship, collaboration, and who you choose to learn from. If you're ready to stop playing small and start leveling up, this video is just for you. Before we dive in, if you're a video creator who wants to build better stories, attract better clients, maybe become unforgettable in your space, hit subscribe, like this video, drop a comment. What's the one thing you're doing right now to level up your creativity? Okay, let me get back to work. Not all creatives are playing at the same level. There are levels to this game. The hobbyist loves to create but isn't committed. The technician knows the tools but lacks impact. The storyteller understands emotion and pacing. The innovator creates signature experiences. The world-class creative pushes boundaries, shifts culture, and inspires the next generation. The difference isn't talent, it's craftsmanship. World-class creatives obsess over craft. Think about it. Ron Howard doesn't just shoot scenes, he shapes emotions. Hans Zimmer doesn't just compose, he reinvents how music moves a story. The best cinematographers, they paint with light. World-class creatives don't wing it, they refine. Every shot, every transition, every sound matters. Mastery lives in the details. World-class creatives don't work alone. Here's something no one tells you. The best in the world build teams. Hans Zimmer works with elite orchestrators. Ron Howard surrounds himself with brilliant collaborators. If you're trying to do everything yourself, you're writing, shooting, editing, mixing, you're not showing your balance. You're just surviving. Write this down. Greatness requires community. Don't just network, build a crew that levels you up. World-class creatives also seek mentors. No one becomes world-class alone. The best creatives, they study others. They get coaching. They ask for feedback that pushes them beyond what they think they can do. I've had people look at my work and say, "You're capable of more. Let's take this to the next level." And you know what? I'm better for it because iron sharpens iron. That's how world-class creators grow. Want to be world-class? Here's what to do this week. Number 1, study the masters. Watch, listen, and dissect how world-class creators do what they do. Number 2, level up your craft. Pick one project this week and elevate the details. Number 3, find a collaborator. Work with someone who challenges you to do your best work. Number 4, get feedback. Ask someone you trust, "What's missing in my work?" Number 5, stop working alone. Start building your team. Even one person makes a difference. Are you ready for the takeaway? You don't become world-class by accident. You get there through craft, through collaboration, through mentorship, through constantly choosing better over just finished. The truth is, you're probably closer than you think, but you've got to lean in because your next level, it won't come from talent, it'll come from how you train. Please like this video. If it sparks something, drop a comment. What's your next move to level up creatively? Subscribe so you never miss a mindset shift or storytelling tool. Want to become the creative you know you're capable of being? Watch my free 30-minute workshop, Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos, or head to paulstephenforrest.com to book a free 15-minute coaching call. Love to talk to you. Because the journey to becoming world-class starts with one step. Make yours today. Thanks for watching.